Alright guys, we're here at Mountaintop. Today we're going to be changing two motors. This old Craftsman right here, as well as this Raynor. And we're also going to be changing the springs. You see there's one spring here, there's no spring here. So we get that done, get them up and running, and we'll show you the afters. Alright, here's the after. Two LiftMasters, 220Ls. Springs on both doors with cameras that let you see. You guys see it go up and down both doors.